How to download a video in your YouTube Kids. Simply open the application and make sure that you are signed into your account. Now downloading a video on YouTube Kids is pretty simple. Now select on the video that you want to download, and at the very end there is a 3 vertical dots. Simply tap on the vertical dots and there you'll find download the video or block this video. If you want to download, simply press on the first icon, download video, and it will start downloading. To see your downloading status or the downloaded videos, simply press on your stuff, and here you can scroll it down. You want you to gain, shared, and at the download session, here you'll have the download session. This is for kids, but if you want to set download quality, simply press on the setting or gear icon if you are signing as a parent. Now you need to solve this equation. Now you'll find the downloads option right over here. Simply press on downloads, and from here you can collect, or you can see how you can download, like download over Wi-Fi only, or when your connection is with data only. You can easily control this. And if you want to change download quality, simply press on download quality, and you can always switch to high, low, and medium. And also you need to know that downloads remain available as long as your device has an internet connection every 29 days. That is almost a month. And that's it, guys. In this way you can easily download a video in YouTube Kids. Thank you for watching this video. Consider liking and subscribing to this channel. I'll see you in the next one.